I was just watching an interview, and it's about Haiti. And what I believe is that the Montana deal should be destroyed. And not only the Montana deal, like anyone out of Haitian native should not, only Haitian should be able to decide what is good for their country, like everyone does for their own countries. And the thing that the lady was talking about, that the Biden government administration is a lot, they have their hands in what is happening in Haiti. It's been over 30 years. Over 30 years that is happening, and even before that have been happening in Haiti. So the question is that we know already, Haitian people know that the government, our American government, is involved in those decisions, and what the government always put their own people in the government to decide what's supposed to make decisions for Haiti and the people. Well, that's gonna stop. That has to stop. Haitian people is gonna have a government. They're gonna choose their government, and they're gonna work with their government. Not American government American government and only will no longer be responsible of deciding for Haiti, because you already caused too much damages, too many damages in Haiti, including with the people that you have in Haiti. It's a thing that is inside Haiti and outside Haiti. So the people will be able to decide what they want, and the country will rebuild. And American government, only whoever those people were, France, Canada, whoever were involved in destroying Haiti and paying people to do all those things, the reparation for Haiti is even higher. Because remember, you are a lot in what is happening in Haiti. And Haiti is 1 hour and 45 minutes from United States. Can you imagine? You left Haiti all these years going to places. You can fly less than 1 hour and 45 minutes. You went to places that you flying a day. Hours and hours and hours you have to stop. And you want it. You know that you are responsible and a lot. You are a lot in what is happening in Haiti. So now, you guys need to put your pants off and be responsible for what you have caused in Haiti. And then now, so we can talk about business. We're gonna trade. We're gonna do business together. But you're no longer gonna decide and what is happening in Haiti. No longer. And you guys need to put that in your heads. I know a lot of Haitian people understand. The people are awake now in everything that is happening. And because you are the boss, but you are no longer boss, the people is going to decide for themselves out of what is happening, and we're going to build Haiti. Haitian people is going to build Haiti. I remember in 2010, so many Americans and other people have give their money to help Haiti. Get back to their feet after the earthquake. The Clintons and whoever were responsible for that money, they do whatever they wanted from Haiti. Haiti didn't have anything done, people. In case you're watching, nothing were done The Clintons' family took their money or whatever, whoever was responsible with them, and then the troop, they paid the troop and whatever. They didn't do anything. And the destruction had like started more and more. The country started to decline more and more. So we are people like you, and we are the freaking nation who had stood up with you, fighting with you. No other countries had died for you, standing with you and fight. We died for American people to get you to where you are right now. And Haitian people need some respect. And we have so many resources that can help us get back to our feet. And you refuse to let us do our things. So assume your responsibilities. Because you have your hands in everything that is happening in Haiti. So now it's for you to stop right now and let Haitian people do their thing. To live like people like you. Because you know better than Haitian people. We all are human. We should be respected the same way you are respected. So that's all I had to say for today. And I love you all, people. Whether you're Haitian or another nation. I love you all. Peace. This is Catalina from Catalina's Visions.